What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from GeeksterLabs.com, and today I have a sponsored review for a product that was sent to me from Mosiso. I hope that's pronouncing that correctly. And this is their hard shell case for the MacBook Air 13-inch. So as you can see, this retails for under 14 bucks, and included with that is this hard shell case. It comes in a variety of colors and finishes. Obviously, the one I have here is the white marble style one. Includes a keyboard cover, and it also includes a screen protector for your MacBook Air. All of those things are under 14 bucks. So super affordable, super nice device that you want to keep on your MacBook just to keep it protected from getting scratched or dinged up on the aluminum finish. So we're going to switch over to the other camera. I'm going to give you guys some close-up details, show you how the ports and everything are accessible while using this, and just give you my full thoughts on what I think on the Mosiso hardcover for the 13-inch MacBook Air. Okay, so here we have the hard case for the MacBook Air. Let me pop it open. So as you can see, we have a nice marble finish. And this is like a real matte finish as well. It's real smooth. The good thing I like about this color and this finish is that it's not going to show any scratches very easily. Just the fact that white doesn't show scratches as easily as black usually does. But then it has this cool texture, this marble texture look on here. That's going to do an even better job of hiding from those scratches and such. As you can see, the bottom does not have the texture. It's just the color. I shouldn't say texture, it has the pattern. It doesn't have the marble pattern. Marble pattern is only on the top part of the case. And let me pop it open here. And so this one just snaps on really easily. You can see the clips right here on the corners and such. So it just snaps on really easily, no problems whatsoever. It folds very nice, it doesn't get in the way. It does come with this keyboard dust cover here, which is really nice, and it's real thin. It doesn't feel like a really big, bulky cover. It doesn't feel very awkward or weird to use the keyboard at all while it's on there. I think it's kind of interesting that it has that marble pattern on the keyboard. It almost looks like there's dirt on there. When I first look at it, it almost looks like, oh, is this dirt? It's like, nope, it's not dirty. It's just the marble pattern on there. I was kind of confused when I first opened it up and checked it out. But overall, it feels really nice. The lights, they shine through it as well. I can't really get a good look as to what that looks like on here. And it won't let me turn on the keys right now because the sensor can tell that the light is in the room is super bright. But you can see the lights that shine through the keys, so that's very nice. And overall, yeah, it just looks really good. Let me show you the patterns. Oh, also, before I get to the patterns, it does include some additional corner pieces, the little rubber stoppers that are on the bottom of it, so if something happens to them, they get messed up or you lose them or whatever, there are additional ones that come with it. And it does come with a screen shield. I didn't want to put that on mine because it makes it super glossy, but you can put that on there as well. It's not like a privacy shield or anything, it's just a straightforward screen protector. Protect it from any kind of scratches or things or people touching your screen and maybe messing it up or whatever. You can add this to there as well, and that is included for free. All of this is 14 bucks. The keyboard, the cover, the case, and the screen shield. So let me go ahead and show you some of the ports and show you what that looks like. Make sure all the cutaways are precise. So you see when I get to the side here, the MagSafe plug here for the magnet, no problems with that. USB, headphone jack, that's all easy to get to. Get to the other side, the SD card slot, the other USB, and the display port right here. Easy, no problems with that whatsoever there. Everything lines up really well. It doesn't feel like it's going to clip off or fall off while you're using it. Everything's snapped on really nicely and tight. Those are those tabs I was telling you, the little rubber stops, so if those pop out, you can always swap out and use the replacement ones that are included with it, which is really nice. So I mentioned earlier, like, there's a ton of different colors available for this case here. This is just the white marble version. But if you want something different, if you want a different pattern, if you want a different texture, whatever, go check it out. I'll put a link down below in the description if you guys want to check it out on their Amazon page. 14 bucks, under $14 actually. That's what the current price is right now. It may be lower, it may be a little bit higher by the time you see this review, if you see it a couple months from now. And I personally use these types of hard cases on my MacBook Air. I've had a case on my MacBook Air since the day I bought it, and I'm glad Mosiso sent me this one because the other one I had was starting to crack, so I can finally replace it. I'm definitely going to keep this one on my MacBook Air and use it just to protect the back of it or the top sections because it is aluminum, as you guys know that have owned MacBook Airs. They kind of dent pretty easily if you were to have something fall on top of it or get scratched up really bad. And I want to keep my MacBook Air looking as new for as long as possible, so when I'm ready to sell it, I can sell it for a good price and not have to worry about it having dings or any kind of damage to it. So this hard case will definitely do a good job of protecting it and making sure that your investments, your over $1,000 laptop, will be protected and covered. Well, that's it for me today, guys. If you have any questions about this product, make sure you post them down below in the comment section. I read every comment in all of my videos, and I always answer back as quickly as possible. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'll have a link down below in the description for their Amazon page to make that really easy for you to find whichever color or finish that you're looking for your MacBook Air 13-inch. If you guys want to check out some of my other videos, I got 2 clips right here you can check out. And if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified of all my other tech reviews, make sure you click on my face. That's it for me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video review.